bit to do, but let's check this shit out. Click. Alright, so we have NBN tag. We have my little socket that I temporarily put on. And what we need to do, separate that so there's no... Yep. Right, what we need to do is run this guy. Let's just twist these. And so I want to go up this side here. Is it? I don't think it's actually capturing anything. There we go. And we'll just put them straight up.
There's no S is already called ready. Ready.
Isn't there?
No.
That's what was on the Telstra one.
No, but I think so. TP-Link is doing.
Ah, that's right. Yeah, yeah. I don't know those credentials. You'll have to ask the guy.
Oh, okay.
Either that or just plug it in via the Ethernet cable. Nice. Now what we'll do, I want to put in the loop. Where do I want to put the loop in is the question. I'll just put it down here. So that's like that. So what we'll do, take it out, we'll put the loop in first. We'll do a bit of a loop like that. It's probably pretty fucking dodgy loop. That's what I think. You need a finger loop, don't you? I'm an idiot. I should have put one of these on first. Or can I just utilize that same MDN tag? Okay. Let's do that there and terminate these guys there. So there, and I want to put it on this one here. I'll put another one there. Make up your mind. That'll do for the loop.
Yes, the phones are working.
Phones are working, beautiful.
Test one, it's working.
Yep.
You want me to put one phone on each desk?
Yeah, man, go for it. Go
On
for it.
Wi-Fi?
Unless I've got a data point, we'll go Wi-Fi.
Doesn't look like they got a data port.
No, okay. I have to punch that because this looks more like a. This is a 110, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, you fucking moron. That's why we put a loop in there. I had the fucking thing run the wrong way. Oh my god. What a dick move. Oh my god. What an idiot. That feels foolish. The cutout around the wrong way. Silly you. We're in 3. Nice. Okay. What an idiot. Oops, that wasn't even capturing. What an idiot. Alright. And this one. I should put it around there. So they know. I'm not sure if that's the best way to put it, but it's there. No, right on that, but I don't have a pen on me. Of course I don't. I'll write on that. Maybe that's not the best way to do it. Should just tie around with some of that. Now it's in the way. Okay, there's a lot for nothing, wasn't it? Okay, let's get another one there. And we shall use this one. That's better.
Yeah, no, I agree. I mean, there is some margin in that. It needs to be discussed with the farm on the farm person. But I think we can, yeah, if we've got a direct sale, we can take that. You know, if someone's buying a house and they can say,
That's good. That way it can be removed. Nice. That's a bit ugly, but at least it can be removed now. Let's go test DSL. Okay. I'm like an idiot.
Okay. You saw Ethan's farm
Pitch
as
the
well?
wrong one.
You get an Ethan, massive one, and
That's where we learn.
Chinese beef, Chinese Vietnamese Kiwi beef. That's huge. Yeah, yeah. It's massive, right next to the big drain.
Caught on a screw back there. Okay, there we are. Alright,
Yeah, yeah.
that's this one here. Is that one there? No, I don't know why it was showing up here. Whatever.
And yeah, shit product, yeah.
Picture in there. In there. And go 2, 3.
Who'd you see, Nathan? Or
Cut it on the top this time.
the actual Chinese?
Cut it on the top. As I'm saying it, I got it wrong. Right. There's space 63. Yes.